What's crazy? This jet comes from Auto Aviation, a relatively new player, but the design clearly borrows brilliance from the Celera prototype. It's efficient, sleek, and honestly, it looks like it was ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. The range sits around 3,500 nautical miles, which puts it solidly in the mid-size category, perfect for bridging the gap between those small entry-level jets and the massive Gulf Streams we'll see later. What I really appreciate is how aerodynamics have been completely rethought here. This isn't just about speed, it's about efficiency, stability, and smooth cruising. Flying one of these has to feel more like gliding than piloting, and that's saying something.